everyone, and welcome back to another Artifact Corner. Today we will be looking at a household item that was functional, but also revolutionary at the time of its invention. This is a Bissell carpet sweeper, the precursor to the vacuum cleaner. This carpet sweeper was a huge improvement in cleaning and was owned by Fannie Delord Webb Hall. This not only saved time in cleaning, but also meant you didn't have to bend down to clean, so also helped your back. Let's learn a bit more about the Bissell carpet cleaner and the Bissell Company. In 1876, Melville Bissell and his wife Anna owned a crockery shop in Grand Rapids, Michigan. They were both sick of sweeping sawdust from the carpeted floors of their shop, and so they started developing their first carpet sweeper. Both friends and customers noticed their new carpet sweeper, and upon seeing its effectiveness, they all wanted one for their homes. The Bissells had just created a new business. Their first advertisements noted that their carpet sweepers lessens labor of sweeping by 95%. In 1883, Bissell built the company's first manufacturing plant in Grand Rapids, Michigan. By the 1890s, the company had an international presence and was producing 1,000 sweepers per day. In 1889, Melville passed away at just 45 years of age. Here is a quote from the Bissell Company's history page. When Melville passed away in 1889, there was no question who would take the reins at Bissell. Anna stepped in, making her the first female CEO in America. Anna aggressively defended the company's patents while also marketing sweepers across North America and Europe. It didn't take long for Bissell to get its first famous fan, Queen Victoria, who insisted her palace be Bisselled every week. We like to think the palace attendants were also fans, loving the free time they had thanks to how easy the Bissell sweeper made cleaning up royal messes. Anna Bissell served as the company's president from 1889 to 1919 and chair of the board from 1919 to 1934. Here is another quote from Bissell's history page. In 1956, we rolled out the manual carpet shampooer, making the chore of scrubbing carpets on your hands and knees virtually disappear. You owe us one, Cinderella. 1 year later, our product started winning awards. In 1957, the Shampoo Master won the Bachner Award for achievement for practical application of molded and formed plastics. In 1979, we made magic by introducing the first Bissell carpet deep cleaning machine, making it easy to get rid of dirty carpet. Early in the 2000s, we really noticed the love we at Bissell had for our pets, when we realized 72% of us were pet owners. Even though there are so many things we love about our pets, we know keeping our home tidy isn't always at the top of their minds. When we found out that stopped many would-be pet adopters, we knew it was up to us to do something. So we did. In 2001, we teamed up with PetFinder.com for our adoption efforts. As pet owners, we can't help but admire Bissell's efforts to find pets good homes. The Bissell Company is still family-owned to this day and still helping animals. Our carpet sweeper was the starting point for a really cool company and an interesting look at Victorian cleaning innovations. We are so lucky to have this piece in our collections. Thanks so much for stopping by.